Hello everybody, I'm McCulloch Merman and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to look at Taffy's McCulloch Hedge trimmer. He likes these quite a lot actually for what they are. I'm actually a fan too. They're quite a good little machine. This is a, what is it? It's a McCulloch Ego Light 6228. They sell for about £170 brand new, I think, something like that. This is a long one. They do a smaller one as well. This has come in. Taffy says it's not running right, mate. He says it's bogging down a little bit and all that sort of stuff. So I said I'd look at it for him. It's got plenty of fuel in there. The fuel lines look to be okay. So we'll look at this one. We'll take it outside, fire it up, see what it's doing, and we'll go from there. But I'm suspecting carburetor tune, carburetor clean is what I'm suspecting. If that's what it's doing, and we'll go from there. Have a look. If this is the first time you're watching Mixed Mowers, hit the old subscribe button and whack the old bell. Set your notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video, and it's completely free to do so. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty. Let's fire this McCulloch up and see what's going on with that. Right, so first I want to look at first before I do anything, I just want to look to see if there's any tuners on this carburetor. Not I can see it without taking the airbox off. Okay, right, let's just fire it up, see what it's doing. It's priming, it's choking, turn it on, fired first pull, take scabbard off. I don't know, Taff. Bit dodgy there. Bit slow on the uptake. But not massively. Let's put it on my hedge and see if I can't get just to cut the hedge up and what have you. It needs doing anyway, so it'd be a good test for it, right? But at the moment, Taff, it ain't doing nothing it shouldn't be doing. Maybe it's just you, Boyle. I don't know. It might have been used commercially, like Taffy does use it quite heavy, so it could be used quite a lot. I think he said he was cutting laurels with it. I think, can't remember. Anyway, let's have a bit of a trim up on the old hedge. It does need doing, so see if I can just get the play up. seems to be doing all right. It's always hard. Someone brings a bit of kit in and then doesn't play up. So I can't do much more than this for a test, you know. Actually cut the open hedge. This just goes to prove, guys, that, you know, sometimes when kit comes in, I'm not actually making these up, you know, because not every machine has a fault on it. But this should be paid up by now. Don't know. What do you guys think? Put it in the comment section below. So there you go. I have no idea. The machine starts, runs, stops, cuts. I just cut my hedge with it with Taffy's fuel as well, so that's cool. That's a bit of a freebie. It's always good to get a freebie off a Welshman. So I just cut my lawn, my hedge with it, and yeah, it bogged out just once or twice. But don't forget, the fuel pipe on those goes to one side of a tank. So depending if you're left or right-handed, sometimes if the fuel tank does get a little bit low, which could be a reason why it bogged down in the first place, you actually run out of fuel because your fuel filter is actually at the top of a tank or far end of it, and it could be not in the fuel. So every now and again, just swap hands and just turn the machine over the other side, just so it sucks a bit of fuel up. That could have been the reason why it was bogging. But Taffy is an intelligent man. I don't think it would be that. But hey ho, I cannot fix a machine if it doesn't present a problem, and that's not presenting any problems at all. If you have an idea what the reason is for that machine's failure, then put it in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I'll keep it for another day or two. Taffy's not due till Thursday. Today is Monday, so I will test it off and on throughout the next couple of days just to test its reliability and doing what it should do. But it's working absolutely A1 for what the bit of kit is. Not a home user brand, but I like those little McCullochs too. They're pretty good, they are. But hey ho, a quick little video, because you can't fix that. That ain't broke. So it's as simple as that. So I'm not going to diagnose anything else with that machine if there's nothing wrong with it. So I'm not going to start tearing it apart. But hey ho, that's what it is. I had all the intentions of bringing this one down today and taking carburetors off and looking at coils and whatever else needed, and no problem at all. So yeah, leave in the comment section whatever you think is a problem with that machine, and go from there. If this is the first time watching Mixed Mows and Mower Man, hit your subscribe button, whack the old bell, set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video, and it's completely free to do so. I look forward to the next episode of Mixed Mows very, very soon. But until then, people, don't forget, much more importantly, take it easy.